You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So generally speaking, this is a name of Italian origin, so generally it is said with a more Italian pronunciation. For reference, in Italy, in Italian it is said as Luciano, Luciano, because C alone is like CH in English, Luciano. So in English, Luciano, Luciano. Some countries and origin may pronounce it as Luciano, but generally the Italian pronunciation applies, Luciano. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.